Hello friends, have a nice day. Welcome to my program Universal Tech FX. Today I'm gonna show you how to add feature video on your Facebook page. Okay, this is one of my Facebook page, gaming Facebook page, Game Maximus. These are my videos, these are my posts. Okay, first click on and go to your Facebook page and click on this video section. Okay, in this area the first option, feature one of your videos. You can display a video at the top of your page video section. These are my playlist. I said Devil Bastard, Call of Duty, and these are all of my videos. Okay, in this area click on choose videos. After that select a video. I select that. Now click on add featured video. This is my Facebook feature video. Okay, and these are playlist, and these are all of my videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and support my Universal Tech FX. Thank you. Have a nice day.